Top 7 tribes with the most beautiful girls in Ethiopia. At number 7, we have the Guraj girls. That is the girls of the Guraj language, right? They are known for their very curvy physique, right? So Guraj girls are very curvy. So if you're a Guraj girl, drop a comment in the comment section. I want to check something. At number 6, we have Sidama. So the Sidama girls are very graceful and have unique charm. So is this true, my Ethiopian men? Let me know in the comments. At number 5, we have Somali or Ethiopian Somali. Ethiopian Somali girls are tall and slender. This is my spec. I love slender, petite, tall girls, right? So I love Ethiopian Somali girls, even though I've never met one before. So if you're an Ethiopian Somali, send me a DM, sharp. At number 4, we have Afar. They are sharp. They have sharp features and traditional hairstyles. So I don't know what that means, right? At number 3, we have the Tigray girls. Tigray girls have striking looks, right? So very gorgeous girls, right? At number 2, we have Amhara. Amhara girls have that classic Ethiopian elegance. When you just see an Ethiopian girl, you just know that this person is from Ethiopia. They have that classic Ethiopian look, right? So Amhara girls, they just have that classic Ethiopian look. So very beautiful, very lovely. If you like this list, I want other lists like this, please follow and like for more. And leave me a comment with the language in Ethiopia that you think has the most beautiful girls, right? At number 1, the most beautiful girls, or the tribe with the most beautiful girls in Ethiopia, is the Oromo tribe. They have diverse features and natural beauty. So Oromo girls are very beautiful, naturally beautiful. They don't need makeup and all of those things, right? So that's interesting. If you're an Oromo girl, drop a comment in the comment section. See you guys in my next video. Follow me on Instagram. Bye.